Hello, welcome. I'm David. At the end of this tutorial, I'll be introducing myself, so stick with me. So let's get started. The blueprint of making money online. The blueprint of making money online. So in this video tutorial, I'll be guiding you, showing you the simplest way to start making money online. I'll be giving you the simplest guide to start making money online within 1 month. I believe after watching this tutorial and after implementing all that I will teach you, in the next 1 month you should start making your first $100, $200 and above online. So we all know the basic necessities of life: food, shelter, clothing. We were taught in school that these are the basic necessities of life. Of course, I believe that I need food to survive, I need shelter to protect myself from the weather, and I need clothing to cover my body. But then the basic necessities of life cannot be achieved without money. We need money to buy food. We need money to have a house, a covering over our head. We need money to cover our body from the harsh weather, from cold. So money is important for us to actually achieve the basic necessities of life. And that is why this blueprint is about how you can make money online, how you can start making money online within the next 1 month, the simplest guide. Now, another thing I want to ask you: why do you need a job? Why do we need jobs? Why do we apply for jobs? In summary, everyone needs a job so he or she can get money to meet needs and wants. You need a job because you want to get money. I need a job because I want to get money. So we all need a job because of money. And I believe you agree with me on that. Another question is, why do you go to school? Why do you go to school? To acquire knowledge, to be exposed, to develop yourself, to earn a living which equals money is very important. The summary why we go to school, the summary of why we go to school is to actually earn a living. We go to school so we can earn a living. And earning a living simply means money. When a child graduates from the university, he or she is expected to get a job, to start fending for herself, taking care of herself, himself, So the summary of schooling, going to school, is to get money. Believe it or not, I don't argue with the fact that you go to school to be exposed. Yes, it's true. But at the end, you need the exposure to get money. You need the knowledge to get money, to develop yourself. There are so many reasons why we go to school, but at the bottom line is still to get money. Now, would you believe me if I tell you that you need money to continue living till your appointed time of death? You need money to actually continue to live. I don't know if you believe me, but it's true. If you don't have money, you will die. If you don't have money, you can't take care of yourself properly. Some people are dying prematurely because they don't have money to pay their hospital bill. They don't have money to get the best clinic, hospital attention, medical attention. So you really need money to live up to your appointed time of death. So believe it or not, but money is essential in life. Now, how does money come? Please bear in mind that the essence of this class is to teach you how to start making money online, the simplest way. So I'm just laying the foundation of why you need money, the reason why we actually need money. Now, money equals exchange of values. If you want to get money, you must be ready to exchange values. You are either selling a product, a good, or a service. You are either exchanging services or goods. So to make money, you are either selling your services or your goods. everything in life is summarized. Every job you do in life is summarized under goods or services. Your landlord rents his house. His house is a good to you for your money. So your landlord is exchanging his house to you for your money. An employee sells his time and expertise, that is his services, for salary, which is money. So to actually get money, you must exchange something. Now, money runs in a circle. An artisan needs money. A trader needs money. The manufacturer needs money. The lawyer needs money. The doctor needs money. So the trader will buy from the manufacturer. The manufacturer will go to the lawyer for advice, legal advice. The lawyer will go to the doctor for health care. The doctor will go to the artisan to fix maybe the pipeline or something that is bad in his or her house. So money runs in a circle, and in all these things, each of these individuals are either exchanging services or goods. The lawyer is exchanging his or her expertise as a legal professional for money. The doctor is exchanging his or her expertise for money. The artisan, his skill for money. The trader, his goods for money. The manufacturer, his goods for money. Name it. We all need money. So for you to make money, you must be ready to sell something or offer a service. Now, having understood the basics of money, of making money, I will show you in this video tutorial how to make money online. That is how to use the internet to make money. The simplest way to start within 1 month using my unique formula. I've been making money online for over 5 years now, and I'm going to show you the simplest guide. I developed a unique formula which I use in making money online, and I use this formula to teach my students, and I will be teaching you with this formula. Now, what is this formula? My unique formula is PMM. PMM, Product, Marketing and Management. Now, if you understand this, you can make money. Even if it's not online, offline, you can make money. This is a unique formula I derived for making money online and even offline. Product, marketing and management. First of all, you need a product. Then you need to sell it to the right audience or to the right persons. Then management. So this is an introduction to the course. You will get other videos. Just stick with me. Now note, I'm not trying to say that money is ultimate in life. Rather, I'm giving you the basics why everyone needs money and its importance. Besides, money is the number one legal tender used for transactions. It's essential in almost all aspects of life. You need it, I need it. So money is really important. So this video one is actually laying the foundation for you to understand why you need money. There are so many reasons. You have so many reasons why you need money. I have so many reasons why I need money. So, but I'm trying to let you understand that money is important. We need money. And one of the ways we can actually make money is online. And having laid this foundation, I would want you to run through every other video that comes with this tutorial. And I bet you will definitely start making money online within 1 month. So stick with me in the next video. Thank you.